What is meant by second urbanization of India?
Answer. The second urbanization of India refers to the emergence of new cities and towns in the Ganga Plains and other regions during the first millennium BCE. This followed a long period of rural life after the disintegration of the Harappan civilization. Archaeological and literary sources confirm this phase of renewed urban growth.
Why were the Janpadhas and Mahajanapadas an important development in India's early history?
Answer. Janpadhas and Mahajanapadas marked the reorganization of people into clans and territories with rulers and governance systems. By 8th to 7th centuries BCE, some Janpadhas grew into powerful Mahajanapadas. This signified a new level of state formation and political organization in India's history.
What kind of system of governance did they evolve?
Answer. They evolved both monarchical and democratic systems. Some Mahajanapadas had hereditary kings, supported by ministers and assemblies. Others, like Vajji and Malla, had democratic traditions where assemblies held significant power and even selected the rulers.
Let's explore. Why should a complex society divide itself into such groups? Think about several possible factors why this happens.
Answer. To function efficiently, societies divide into groups based on occupation or roles, like rulers, priests, traders, artisans, farmers. This helps in division of labor, preserving skills, better administration, efficient trade and production. However, these divisions can also create inequality if not managed fairly.
List other such professions you expect in a complex society of the first millennium BC.
Answer. Priests, soldiers, traders, artisans like potters, weavers, metalsmiths, farmers, builders, teachers, healers or doctors, performers like musicians, dancers, etc.
Questions and activities. According to the text, how are rulers chosen in early Vedic society?
Answer. Rulers were selected with the advice of assemblies like the Sabha and Samiti, especially in the early Vedic period. In some republics like Vajji, rulers were even elected by vote, showing early democratic traditions.
Imagine you are a historian studying ancient India. What types of sources, archaeological, literary, etc., would you use to learn more about the Mahajanapadas? Explain how each source might contribute to your understanding.
Answer. Archaeological sources like ruins, coins, fortifications, tools help understand cities and economies. Literary sources like Vedic, Buddhist, Jain texts describe governance, society, and religion. These sources together provide a fuller picture of ancient Indian states.
Why was the development of iron metallurgy so important for the growth of urbanism in the first millennium BC? You may use points from the chapter, but also from your knowledge or imagination.
Answer. Iron tools improved agriculture and enabled better weapons, supporting expansion, trade, and warfare. This led to economic growth and stronger states, encouraging urbanization.
Short questions and answers from this chapter. 1. What does the word Janpadav mean?
Answer. It means the land where a group of people have settled.
2. Name any two powerful Mahajanapadas.
Answer. Magad and Kosala.
3. What were Sabha and Samiti?
Answer. They were assemblies or councils in early Indian states where elders discussed important matters.
4. What is a moat?
Answer. A deep ditch filled with water, built around a city or fort for protection.
5. What metal became more common during the second urbanization?
Answer. Iron.
6. What were the early republics among the Mahajanapadas called?
Answer. Ganas or Sanghas.
7. What were the first Indian coins called?
Answer. Punch-marked coins.
8. Which regions were connected by the Uttarpatha?
Answer. The northwest regions to the Ganga plains and eastern India.
9. Name the 3 early Tamil kingdoms.
Answer. Cholas, Cheras, and Pandyas.
10. What were the 4 Varnas in ancient Indian society?
Answer. Brahmins, Kshatriyas, Vaishyas, and Shudras. Thank you. Subscribe for more.
Your subscription is our motivation.